sitting for months. I ain't really did nothing with it for real. But that was how it ran when it went down. I was having little symptoms, like it wasn't running perfect.
But before then, it was running.
It was okay. I mean, I was driving it every day.
Okay, and then what happened?
One day, I mean, progressively it started having stuff fail on it, but like not like I told you, like the brakes was going down on it, and I was having acceleration issues as far as like at stop signs or stoplights because the brake was sticking. But or I did put a starter on here. Maybe it's been like a year now, but
right now I really need a flashlight. I'm trying to look up in the flywheel and see if I can see. Cause I didn't.
Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
That's what got to be happening for sure. It's like a 70-30. It need to be one more rotation.
Man, I put a starter wheel in the Cadillac one time and got through with it, folks. Crank it up the drive, the starter wheel upside down.
Yeah, I just did that with my baby Jeep for Christmas. That thing on the upside down, so I know I ain't got no business doing that. All right, let's hopefully this battery ain't dead. Let's see. Oh, matter of fact, hold on. Okay. Let's see if this battery dead. Yeah, it's dead.
I got the biggest pair of panties I ever seen in my whole life.
I hate this battery dead. It's a brand new battery. This the first. You just put that in there.
The last time.
Yeah, I don't know why this dead. The alarm not hooked up. There shouldn't be no reason for this to be dead.
The weather.
Brand new.
Like say it sit a few days. It'll go down a little bit, but
I knew it was dying because when I opened the door, the light wasn't blue no more. The interior lights. It's dead. Put this window down. Okay. That thing was super dead. So you don't like that 4-wheel? You don't like 4-wheel drive?
No, it just made the job harder, folks.
So we got some oil dripping down there.
Yeah, I see that too. I'm trying to see where that shit was coming from.
I do remember when I got the car, it had a slight oil leak though. Before I did anything with it, something small. I think it was coming from the pan too, to be honest. I took it somewhere and they said it wasn't a big deal and they didn't really want to address it. But it wasn't their driveway getting ink in it. Yeah, I don't know what that noise is, man. You say you thinking more like a flywheel. I did have people, when I posted the video, they was commenting and saying that it sounded like a flywheel too, or some like a flywheel bolt or some type of bolt being loose or something.
I can see one of the flywheel bolts. I can't really see the flywheel bolts in the
I record everything though, so I got a lot of knowledge as far as like if you want to know something that happened before or something before, I can pull it right up.
Okay. Right now, I really need a flashlight. I'm trying to look up in the flywheel and see if I can see. Because I didn't. Okay, we're trying to see right up in here.
Is it shiny?
I need to ask a quick question, folks.
Okay.
How could you tell if the flywheel bolts loosen up from the crank? That's the question I need to know now. So, how could you tell?
Oh, how would it sound if it happened like that?
Yeah.
If the flywheel bolts loosened up from the crank. I think, I'm finna look it up right now, but I think somebody in my video said that's what it sounded like to them.
Okay, I'll tell you what else I seen. Where the torque converter comes to the flywheel. Look like I can see where it been together and it kind of done eased up from it just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Like I see a clean spot. So if that's the case, that means the bolts could be done loosen up in the damn flywheel, the one bolted into the crank, though. That don't sound right, but
based on what you can see, that's what makes sense.
that's what it kind of looked like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Huh.
And by your shit being a 4-wheel drive, it would be if I thought that's what that was, and for sure I'd come out better pulling the motor out than trying to slide the transmission back because you got a 4-wheel drive.
Mm-hmm.
Your front axles, all this shit hooked up. Anyway, what I'm saying, it'd be easy to come out top with it, front with it, and then put it right back in versus trying to slide the transmission back doing it. But I can't say that's what it is, though. You know what I'm saying? Exactly.
So basically with the screwdriver, you just turned the flywheel all the way around and you checked it for damage, and only damage you saw was where it looked like it had been connected with
where it's round, everything round, and this part round, like where it should have been flat up against the I'm up against the flywheel. Mm-hmm. Like I can see where it's done slid back, and you can see. I can show you, man, if you're scared to go up on there.
No, I will. Come on, I can come from over here.
Yeah.
I'll go.
Either way, still gotta be back looking up.
Okay.
You gotta come on in, folks.
I got my phone so I can really see it though.
Okay, no, you still gotta come on in.
Okay.
The area I need you. Can your phone gonna show me? Is it showing you what I'm touching?
Yep.
Can you see this area right there?
Yep, the big circle.
Yeah. See the top inside that circle where that flywheel at? What I was trying to show you the spot that I was talking about, like is where it's done kind of moved at, like.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I can't really see it now either, like I wanted to see it.
Okay.
Get my light back on.
It is kind of warm down here because the car been running. I feel that.
can't get it in a good position like I want to. But I'm looking in this little area right in here where the Can you tell if that's moving or not? Oh.
It's not moving now.
Oh, it's kind of crazy, folks. Turn a little bit for you. And I was just turning this around a while ago.
And you saying if it's like a rod, it's like a rod bearing.
Yeah.
I watched a couple videos on rod bearings.
And what would they say to be his fix?
I'm trying to remember. They said they was trying to like the two noise to diagnose it. If it's first it was like look to diagnose if it's a tick or a knock. Sound more like a knock than a tick. But then it could not be a knock. It said it could have been some exhaust related, or it could have been what you just said, flywheel.
That's not exhaust related.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, I really don't know. It been sitting for months. I ain't really did nothing with it for real. But that was how it ran when it went down. I was having little symptoms, like it wasn't running perfect.
But before then, it was running.
It was okay. I mean, I was driving it every day.
Okay, and then what happened?
One day, I mean, progressively it started having stuff fail on it, but like not like I told, like the brakes was going down on it, and I was having acceleration issues as far as like at stop signs or stoplights because the brake was sticking. But or I did put a starter on here. Maybe it's been like a year now, but okay, let's see if we got a turn key. You hear it? That's the first time.
That's the starter.
Yep, that's what it was. It did that like a few times, and then I gave up on it. All right. You say what? All right. Taking care of that business, man. Go hard.
There's the housing is broken, so
It's not broken.
there's a crack right there, and then there's a crack further up. Where did I see it? Oh, straight across here. That whole housing, like all the way across, is just broken.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know what you did in there. I didn't know what was going on.
That's where I hide all my dead bodies.
When I started, it used to boom one time, but now it'd be like boom, and like it'd be like a little cough or something in between there, or I had to give it a little gas to start it for, you know what I'm saying, a little shit like that. But it still started every day, and I drove it every day. Mm-hmm.
I would hate to pull it out thinking it's one thing and it end up being something else. I probably would want me another motor, man. Just what's the mileage on this phone?
It's like 2 something. I got it with 200, so it got to be 2.
293.
It's got to be like 240 or something, 250. Oh, 220. It's at 220. No, that's cool. I'll leave it here.
Okay.
Yeah. I can leave it here, man. I was just trying to.
I ain't never really been one for going inside of the motor and fixing funk and non-funk. Don't get me wrong. Now, I have changed heads on one before, one of these same type trucks, but it's not my favorite thing in doing. Your situation, if you like the truck, it's worth putting the motor in, folks. You could tie another $1,500, $2,000 and have you a real nice truck with a nice another engine in it, you know what I'm saying? Depending on what the engine costs out here, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Up my way, this particular engine right here, a little hard to find, you know what I'm saying? I hear they shouldn't be because there's plenty of them out here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I thought you probably had the 5.3, the one got the individual spark plug coils on each one of the spark plugs, and they ain't really got no distributor.
Yeah.
I thought that was the engine you had. Now those engines up my way going for like 7.5, another 150 if you don't take a core with you when you go to get it. You know what I'm saying? Take the other motor back later, you still get that 150 back. Just be done made 2 trips to the same junkyard.
Yeah, man. I don't know. I ain't know no shop really to take it to go get no full diagnosis where I could find out what was going on with it or not. So I really ain't been in a rush to deal with it.
Yeah.
It's about that time to deal with it now, especially that I got that one running. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's where I'm at with it now, man. I know he told me that you know something about some cars. I said, well, let me get your opinion on it, man. See what you think. What you think is leaning more towards just getting this one out and putting a different one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back with the same motor.
Well, yeah, same size motor.
Yeah.
That's a
5.7.
yeah, it's 5.73. That's 350 there. Yeah, it's 5.7.
I check it out, man. It's been sitting for a while though. Gotta check it out. I was looking at the 5.3 conversion because everybody been like putting those newer trucks, newer models in there. But I don't know if that'd be more complicated than just fixing what I got going on. But if I'm gonna keep the truck, it seemed like it'd make more sense to put the updated more in there. Yeah.
But like I said, I don't know. I hadn't really fucked with that part of it, the equation right there. Motor wise, I can set it in for you, everything, but for the computer and getting that motherfucker to run from there,
yeah.
Then we finna run out of gas.
Yeah. As far as you go, right here.
No bullshit.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Now this engine right here, if you had an old school, so like the old school Chevy got, Chris got.
Yeah.
We would snatch this motor out right here, man.
Yeah.
Take this whole shit off the top, put carburetor, old type distributor in there. That I know what to do with. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But now, like I said, what they doing with the 5.3s now, I ain't.
So your 99 Tahoe got a different motor in it? Oh, okay.
Same motor.
Same one?
Yeah. Same one. I bought this one out of the backyard, man. It was dope dealer / mama / drug dealer / uncle, cousin. Bam. Car sit in the yard about 8-10 years, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He said, man, you know where I can junk this motherfucker? I said, shit, you just want a junk prize for it? He said, yeah, man. He said, my nephew, he ain't goddamn channel or some goddamn word in the service. He ain't come home no time soon. Ain't nobody finna fuck with him. You see how long the motherfucker been sitting back here? He said, man, give me $200 for that motherfucker, folks. Folks, I hurry up and whooped him out 200.
Yeah.
Because I knew the people, well, I kind of knew the history of the truck anyway, you know what I'm saying? So one day I see his sister, she said, Leon, I got the title to that damn truck. She said, I don't know exactly where it's at right now. She said, but I got the damn title to that truck. She said, just, if you're going to keep it, I'll find it for you. If you're going to junk it out, I won't work. I said, well, Mary, I would like to keep it because I like that old truck. I always liked it up. Me and a partner put a flywheel and transmission in that truck. It's got the same bullshit you got for. That's why I know that 4-wheel drive is not no motherfucking joke.
Yeah, you got experience with it.
Yeah, you got to play with it. Anyway, First thing I do, man, I drop the gas tank. No. First thing I do is take it to the locksmith and get a key. Because that was the problem why it was sitting in the backyard anyway. They lost the keys to it. My partner, Mr. T, he hauled cars for me. I paid him to take me to the key place. He dropped it off. We got a key made for it. But they couldn't get to it that day. I said, man, don't worry about it. Just leave the motherfucker, man. I come back. I can get it home once I get a key because I can pull it with a car or something. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, just let me get it, put it in gear.
Yeah. So, shit, I went back the next day and got ready to move the motherfucker, man. The back brake was froze, stuck on that back wheel. Had to take the back wheel off, beat the drum off, disengage the brake, put the shit back together just so I could get the motherfucker home for this drag.
Yeah.
It was an uphill struggle, folks. I got the bitch home. Got a fuel pump ordered offline. It done made it there by now, you know what I'm saying? I dropped the gas tank, washed the gas tank out. Man, it's got like a half a tank of gas. Shit look like syrup. Actually like sweet tea, man. I was wanting the glass real bad then. And anyway, put a new fuel pump in it. Got the fuel pump pumping. Got gas all the way up here, folks. I called myself bleeding the line, so whatever bullshit was in the line should have came out already. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. I put it together. Spray it in about twice. Motherfucker crank up. Kind of loud at first. Motherfucker smooth out. Okay, this motherfucker ain't ran in, goddamn. I know 8 years for real.
Wow.
Might have been less than that, man. I'm pretty sure it's been
more than 5 though.
It's been more than 5.
Yeah.
I've been staying in my mama's house about 5 now, and it was sitting back there a couple of years for then.
Yeah.
And crank it up, got it running. Let the motherfucker run about 20 minutes, man. I'm talking about. Alternator start killing my battery. My voltage, my meters start going down. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Showing the sign that the alternator was going bad, battery going dead. I let the motherfucker run till it cut off. I said, shit, man, I go back and fuck with the motherfucker tomorrow. Next day, I know the motherfucker run now. You know what I'm saying? False. When I get back and go back to mess with it again, that syrupy shit that was trapped inside of that line that didn't run out when I first blowed the lines out.
Got stuck in there?
It done came on through there and got into the spatter. You know, they both got a spatter. They got using the spatter injector.
I think I know what you're talking about, yeah.
It's up under this throttle, but that carburetor, that thing right there really ain't shit. It's the injectors up under the motherfucker. It's 8 injectors up under, man. You pull it up, it looks just like a motherfucking spatter. I'm talking about 4 legs on each side. It clogged them motherfuckers up, folks. Ordered the motherfucker first of the month. I've been out here a couple of weeks now. It just got back. My old lady called me yesterday and said the part just got there.
So even if you replace the spider part, the syrup stuff wouldn't have got nowhere else?
Well, the only place you can get is in the world. The injector's got to skeet gas out. That's what it clogged up. It won't let it get gas down through into the motor. It could have been already in the motherfucking spatters, and by me letting it run, it could have collected up like that. But I'm pretty sure it came out of them damn 2 lanes and got on into them, folks.
But it's been running smooth since you got it back, right? Or you still
what
figuring it out?
The part just came in
yesterday.
okay,
yeah. So you said, yeah, that.
Nah, I ain't had a chance to test it.
Oh, so yeah, this whole time, I'm thinking we talking about 2 different trucks. So the truck that you had, like mine, like this one, is a newer truck to you. I thought this is something that you already been had for a while.
No.
Oh, okay.
I just
okay.
recently got it.
Okay, bet.
I've been had about a couple of months now, but I'm just not getting all the parts.
Just getting it started
together, yeah.
All right, bet.
got my boy KG behind the camera though.
That's what I be trying to tell y'all, man. Like, hey, man, can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen, you hear me? Can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the AC, man. But outside of that, though, man, subscribe to the channel. Invite me, man, my second YouTube channel, you feel me? I'm over here waiting on y'all to get there. Tap in. I actually got 2 YouTube channels, so there's 2 different QR codes on each side of the truck. Just check them out.
All right, I got you.
Yep, I do daily vlogs almost every day. Oh, did you take a picture or scan it?
I took a picture of it.
Oh, you had to scan if you take the picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It reached?
Yeah, can you go hard?
KG Go Hard, that's me, bro.
Yeah, I just subscribed.
I appreciate you, man.
All right, no problem.
Yep.
Today's video is brought to you guys, sponsored you guys by KG Go Hard, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put it on there right there. You know what I'm saying? Let the thing clear in. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe, like, hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Go hit him on his last video and tell him, you know what I'm saying, Real to Real sent you. You know what I'm saying? And we are here, you know what I'm saying, for some big support. But yeah, make sure y'all do that, man. All the links are in the description below to the channel. So make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? He just getting started. He won Mr. 75 Caprice giveaway. And he started a YouTube channel after doing it. That's why I told you guys, you guys can start your YouTube channel after you win these vehicles, because it'll help you grow by saying that you own this person's vehicle. You know what I'm saying? And it'll help you out in the long run. So yeah, make sure you guys get y'all tickets for Big Boy Ram Truck, and make sure y'all give him a subscribe. His link is in the description. And yeah, man, let's get back into the video. Peace.
Alright guys, y'all know this video is sponsored to you by my boy Kevin Jones, man, aka KG Go Hard. He won the Tahoe, the 2-door Tahoe on 30s from Mr. 75 Caprice. So he's out there living, man. He's lit. Excuse me. I'm gonna give y'all his you know, after this you're gonna see the links of his YouTube, his Facebook, and his Instagram, and then in the description is where y'all gonna see the links to just go easily access to go subscribe, like, and follow him on all 3 platforms that he's got going on. His YouTube reminds me a lot of myself. Like, I really like him, guys. So if y'all rock with me, go rock with him. He really showing like how to show love. He's out there. He's putting the camera in people's faces. He's energetic. He's ready to go. He wants it. You know, I think he needs it. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. That's why I act how I act. I need it. You feel me? So I hope the best for him, man. And this video is sponsored to you by KG Go Hard. So go give him a chance, guys. Like I said, he won the giveaway by Mr. 75 Caprice. He came in first place and got the truck. So big shout out to him. And don't leave the video, guys. If y'all at the end of the video, thank you for watching the whole thing. If y'all at the middle, keep watching, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit.
Got it.
Alright, gang, man. This video is brought to you by KG Go Hard. I need y'all to go mess with him, man. His real name's Kevin Jones. He won that car off of 75 Caprice, Mr. 75 Caprice. Please go show him some love, gang. He heavily invested into this. And just the real ones, I just need y'all to go over there and show him, you know, that y'all seen this and that y'all support him. At least go comment 32 gang. Go run his subscribers up, run his following up, run his Facebook up. You know, I'm doing my best for him, gang. I did a second video in a row for him. So it's because he actually reminds me of myself, guys. He does everything really, really good. He works super hard every single day on YouTube, guys. So if y'all have love for me, I need y'all to go show love to KG Go Hard. The links will be in the description of this video. Y'all can leave right now and go subscribe and follow him. That's how much I want him to succeed, guys. Also, make sure that y'all come back and enjoy the rest of the video. Some crazy shit happened, man, when CJ and my mom seen each other. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And also, if you're at the end of the video, man, thank you for watching the whole video. You were awesome. And you know, let's just keep going from there, guys. And like I said, please go to the links in my description to subscribe, follow, and add friend on Facebook to my guy KG Go Hard, aka Kevin Jones. Big shout out to Kevin Jones, man. I see you, bro. I'm doing my best for you. Hopefully people go over there and message you. See you guys in a bit.